Hello everyone, I'm Yoko Shibata. Today, I want to show you some English phrases that sound like Japanese. 日本語に聞こえる英語のフレーズをご紹介したいと思います。例えば、ドーン、ドーン How much? How much? Do you use this sentence? How much sounds like how much in Japanese. How much means a young yellow tail. Don. Fish name. How much. ね。How much sounds like how much. How much. How much. How much. How much. Japanese people think how much. How much. How much. How much. It's complicated. If you go to a sushi restaurant and you say, how much? How much? You might get how much sushi? Dong! ね、looks delicious. ね、how much が how much に聞こえちゃいますね。Next! Dong! Show you. Show you sounds like 醤油 in Japanese. 醤油 means soy sauce. It's 醤油 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 Oh, 醤油 sounds like 醤油 for Japanese people. Then if you go to a sushi restaurant and you say 醤油 you might get 醤油ね how much and 醤油 oh you might get them I'm sure next you know the phrase Don you know me you know me you know me sounds like you know me in Japanese. You know me, you know me, you know me, you know me. Japanese people think you said, you know me. You know me means a Japanese mag. Don. This is you know me. Then, if you go to a sushi restaurant and you say, you know me, you know me, you might get Japanese traditional mug. You know me. Dang. Oh, it's complicated. Next. 職場 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 sounds like 職場 in Japanese. 職場 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 職場ね職場Oh, no. 職場 means workplace. So, everyone in Japan works in 職場 like this. 職場 Everyone in Japan works in 職場 How about use these words in Japan? Please try. 使ってみてはいかがでしょう。日本語に勘違いされちゃうかもしれません。では、今日はこの辺で皆様ごきげんよう。Goodbye. See you.